There are 7 different ways to make money online right now, even if you are a beginner or a pro. Want to make money without leaving home during the coronavirus pandemic? Or do you want to figure out ways to make money online so that you can fund your travels when coronavirus subsides? Note that the following article was published in 2020. To see the latest version of this story with even more exciting ways to earn money, go to How to Make Money Online in 2021/2022. The truth is that genuine ways to make money online exist, and millions of people do so every day. From freelance digital nomads to clever marketers to aspiring entrepreneurs, there are many business ideas you may try at home with your laptop and a stable internet connection. Let's look at some of the best ways to make money online. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please click the subscription button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I make a new video. Let's get started. 1. Dropshipping. Let's start with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is gradually growing, indicating its viability as a way to make money online. There's plenty of evidence that dropshipping is a legitimate way to generate money online, with success stories like one entrepreneur who made $6,667 in 8 weeks and another who made 6 figures selling just one product. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most prevalent ways to make money online. Its popularity has fluctuated over time, but it is still a reliable way to make money online. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can work as an associate for practically any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. If you watch this video till the end, I will reveal to you some affiliate website you can visit to become an affiliate. Watch this video till the end and you will see how to can get started. If you skip this video you will not get the full details I'm about to reveal to you. The year 2021 is almost ending. The secret will help you model your business for the future years to come. 3. Create your own YouTube channel. If others can earn money from YouTube, then can you. Ryan, a YouTuber who reviews things on his channel, was the highest paid YouTuber in 2018, earning $22 million. Another high earner is Jeffree Star, who has made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics brand that sells about $100 million in products each year. He was able to use his notoriety on YouTube and MySpace to make money online in addition to his YouTube earnings. 4. Make your own online course. Sharing your knowledge is one of the most effective methods to generate money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can make money by creating online courses. If you already have a following, you can sell your course on social media platforms, Udemy, or through your own website. Some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 per month by offering online courses. 5. Create a blog. One of the most well-known ways to make money online is by blogging. People who enjoy writing begin their blogs with a certain niche in mind. For example, a blog about procrastination, vehicles, dropshipping, toys, and other topics has a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following but is broad enough to cover a wide range of topics. Making money online can augment your income while also allowing you to leave your 9-to-5 job and pursue your ambition of working for yourself full-time. By brainstorming online business ideas and opting to start an online business, you gain greater financial freedom, improve your financial security, and get closer to living life on your own terms. 6. Email marketing automation software. Email marketing is an important channel to use in your digital marketing plan. It's an effective channel because it can deliver relevant, personalized content to your customers or prospects, which makes them more likely to engage with you. Discover how to use simple automation tools like GetResponse integrations with MailChimp to create automated workflows that help grow your business online. As an online entrepreneur, you need to do everything in your power to automate email marketing processes. GetResponse's advanced automation technology automates database segmentation, follow-up drip campaigns, and customized one-to-one workflows for your customers, allowing you to source new leads, nurture them into customers, and retain them for longer. GetResponse is the leading email marketing automation solution for professional marketers. Automate your business with fewer work hours while enjoying better results. You can sign up for a free 30 days account I have left on the description link of this video to get started. If you find this video resourceful, please click on subscriber button and click on the like button, and also drop a comment if you want me to make video on how to start your own hosted website. I have also included the link to start your own hosted WordPress website on the description link below. 7. Selling other people's products. You can start selling other people's products or services today by just simply finding an offer as an affiliate and join a program to get paid when you sell through your referral link. Because of you, I have placed a link to a tutorial course you can join to watch a free video in the link sections of this video to learn and become a pro in 1 week. Please find the link below to learn more. If you put in the effort and continue, you can make a living online. So, what's going to be your first side hustle? You can learn a lot about digital marketing because I also broadcast my digital marketing podcasts here. I hope this has been of assistance to you.